Why does your scanner show the P1004 engine code? What does it mean? P1004 is a diagnostic trouble code for short runner valve control performance. It indicates the PCM is not detecting the short runner valve actuator moving correctly, potentially causing performance problems. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty short runner valve. Wiring issues. Powertrain control module software issue. Intake manifold issues. Software issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chrysler, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.